What's going on, Subway surfers? Today we're back on the surface taking a look around the future Cornell Terminal. Located in Markham, beside the Markham-Stouffville Hospital, this $37 million bus terminal will become the eastern hub for York Region Transit and Viva buses, with future connections planned to Durham Region. We visited the station this past week to check in on the construction and get an understanding of the scope of this project. I'm Zach with Vanish Underground, and let's take a look. The Cornell Bus Terminal is located roughly 29 kilometers northeast of downtown Toronto, at the eastern end of the municipality of Markham. The terminal will contain 11 bus bays, 2 of which will be constructed to accommodate longer articulated buses. Inside the terminal, public washrooms will be provided for customers, as well as heated waiting areas and provisions for a future retail outlet. A passenger pickup and drop-off will be located on a new road on the east side of the terminal, connecting Highway 7 to Russell Woods Avenue. 5 layover spaces will also be provided on the west edge of the terminal site, given that most bus routes will end at the terminal. A crosswalk and pedestrian plaza will also be provided from the terminal to access the adjacent Markham-Stouffville Hospital, and cycling infrastructure will be incorporated into the design. Environmental features such as a living wall and green roof are also expected to be incorporated into the terminal, with provisions for solar panels on the roof. At opening, the terminal is expected to service 600 daily boarding and 770 daily alighting passengers. With the opening of the terminal, YRT buses currently ending at the Markham-Stouffville Hospital will be relocated to the terminal. Routes 1, 16, and 522 are expected to be diverted into the terminal, but will retain service along Church Street. Routes 18 and 25 will be revised to end at the terminal as well, operating both ways via Highway 7. Route 9 will divert into the terminal off of 9th Line, while Viva Purple will be revised to end at the terminal, no longer servicing the Viva station on Church Street. On weekends, YRT Route 2 will also be extended from the Smart Centre's Markham Box Grove along Donald Cousins and Highway 7 to the terminal, further reducing the frequency on Saturday and Sunday to every 40 and 77 minutes respectively. No plans have been announced to divert routes 201, 303, or nearby school specials into the terminal. However, given its importance as the regional transit hub, it is expected that these routes will be changed to enter the terminal. In the future, Durham Region Transit has plans for a new Route 930, running limited service between the terminal and the Highway 407 and Broad carpool line. However, a timeline for implementation has not been announced. Space also exists for GO Transit to divert their Highway 407 East buses to the terminal. However, once again, no timeline has been announced. Planning for the terminal has been ongoing for a number of years, with the location and bus routes servicing it evolving over time. Originally, the terminal was supposed to be located further east near the present-day Donald Cousins Parkway, with a new intermediate stop being added to Viva at Burr Oak, and the Markham-Stouffville Hospital station retained. The terminal was originally projected to be open in time for the Viva extension east of McCowan in 2008. However, delays in planning and acquiring land pushed the date back. As a result, the current terminus at Markham-Stouffville Hospital, which was originally intended to be temporary, is not able to accommodate multiple buses laying over, which often results in them extending into the intersection while waiting to depart. Additionally, Route 14, which services neighborhoods south of the terminal parallel to Highway 407, was also originally intended to extend to the terminal. However, this plan was dropped due to the extension of Route 9 south of the hospital. Viva Green was also proposed to extend east of its terminus at McCowan to the hospital. However, with the frequency on Viva Purple being increased in recent years, these plans have been removed from the system map. With construction almost 75% complete, The terminal is expected to be open before the end of 2020. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the future Cornell Terminal. Once construction of the terminal is complete, click the button in the top right corner of your screen for footage from the opening day. Feel free to leave a like and a comment if you want to see more. And as for us here, we'll be banishing underground until the next one.